I finally now have the time to review the POV Beauty products that I received. No, I didn't receive it from anyone. I actually asked my friend who was coming from America to the UK to buy them for me, and he did. So yeah, I have the full set. So I have Drench It, Glaze It, Drip It, Whip It, and I have ampoule that I have already started to use and has been in my handbag. I love it. So now I just want to do like a quick makeup to go to my son's football. So I'm going to be trying these products for the first time. You get my first impression. Okay, first things first, they are really well packaged. Like, you have to rip it to open it. Well packaged. This is what Drip It looks like. I know everyone knows what it looks like because almost everyone in America have it, but I'm excited to be a UK girly reviewing it. I don't know if any other UK girly has reviewed, or anyone in UK has reviewed it, but so well packaged. And I think they look really, the quality of the packaging, I give it to them. Okay, so I have the product here. I've watched Mikayla's videos a million times, and this is the order that she uses the products. The priming milk first, glow serum next, moisturizer, and the tacky primer obviously before makeup, and then the lip balm. So let's do that. Drenching milk first. Oh, it's packaged. Take that off. It's very lightweight. It's very, very lightweight. I'm not surprised about the glow. She went all the way to Korea to make all these products, so I'm not surprised. And Koreans are well known for their glass skincare products. Okay, I must say it's quite hydrating though. Look at that. Lovely. And then Drip It. It feels like my skin is just drinking water. The hydration is a lot. It is a lot of hydration. Some people do not like to, buy influencers products. I just think there are two ways. It's either the influencer is just trying to make money, or the influencer actually put so much love into creating this product. And I think Mikayla did put so much love to create this product. So now the moisturizer. I think there's a way that you can open it and get the thing out. Twist. There we go. Hold it down here. Twist. Now that is someone that has really thought about her products. Okay, think about, I cannot, okay. Oh, I was about to say, let me put it back. I was about to say I don't have a nail to pull it out, but apparently just press it here and it comes out. Now she thought about that. This is very rich. It feels like yogurt. It's so rich. Yes, ma'am. I'm not gonna put too much because I feel like it's very rich. And when you're done, you just slide it back in, close it back. Yep, very rich. I feel like I have glass skin already. Like, what? Wow. Just look at my skin. Look at my skin. Tell me this is not glass skin. Tell me this is not glass skin. Wow. My thing is, it's very hydrating and it does look like it's oily, but it's not oily. I have oily combination skin, so I think time will tell if this is gonna make me like break out or clog my pores or something, but I hope not. I can't tell you whether it's going to or not because this is my first time I'm using it. Okay, now let's get makeup done. So I'm gonna use the tacky primer. Not everyone loves primer. I think you have to twist it as well. Twist. Oh, that's opened. Just put it on my skin. Oh, there is a lot of product on my skin right now. I hope it's worth it. So this is a tacky primer, so I'm guessing we have to wait a bit and then I start to apply makeup. A lot of products. So because I'm using a lip stain, I'm not going to use the armpit yet. Once my lip stain is dried and I take it out, I would apply the armpit, which is the lip gloss or the lip balm or the amplifying lip ampoule. Okay, I think the primer has gone tacky enough. Is it gonna grip? Not really. I've worn my foundation and my foundation is not a glowing foundation, and all the skincare is still glowing underneath my foundation. Makeup is all done. I can still see the skincare glowing out of all the layers of makeup that I have applied. Can you see here? We're still glowing. Let's use the armpit now. This is it. It smells nice. Like I said, I use a lip stain and it's not stained. Lip stain for the win. Okay guys, I'm done and I get the hype. Like I said, my skin is still glowing underneath all this makeup. Okay, Mikayla, well done. You did a good job. And I am so pleased I have been able to get my hands on this gorgeous skincare product of yours. My favorite product out of everything is everything. I can't choose. I think they all work well together. And I'm so glad I could get the whole range and use them at once. And do I recommend this product to anyone? Absolutely yes. Especially if you want glass skin or you love K-beauty products.